If you're seeing the SU-MD-HSH manifest download error in Epic Games, don't worry. This is usually caused by a corrupted cache, a network issue, or DNS problems, and in most cases, you can fix it without losing your games. In this video, I'll show you the quickest step-by-step method to get Epic Games Launcher working again. If this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more fast tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, completely close Epic Games Launcher. Don't just minimize it, make sure it's fully shut down. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC to open Task Manager, then look for Epic Games Launcher and end the task if it's still running. This is important because if the launcher is open in the background, the next steps may not work properly. Now, right-click the Epic Games Launcher icon and choose Run as Administrator. Running it with admin permissions can fix small access issues and help the launcher reconnect properly. If the error still appears, move on to the most important step in this tutorial, which is clearing the launcher cache. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the box, type %localappdata% and press Enter. This will open your local app data folder. From here, find Epic Games Launcher, open it, then open the saved folder. Inside Saved, look for a folder called Webcache. Delete the webcache folder completely. If you see more than one webcache folder, delete those too. Don't worry, Epic will recreate these files the next time it launches. After deleting the cache, reopen Epic Games Launcher and check whether the SU-MD-HSH error is gone. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem immediately because the launcher starts fresh with clean files. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your network setup. Turn off any VPN you may be using. VPNs can sometimes interrupt Epic's connection to its servers and trigger download or manifest errors. Also, if you're using a proxy, go into your Windows network settings, open proxy, and make sure it is switched off. A clean, direct connection is always best when Epic is downloading or verifying game data. If you still have trouble, restart your router and your PC. This can help refresh your connection and clear temporary DNS or routing issues. Sometimes, simply switching to a more stable network also helps, especially if the launcher has been failing repeatedly. And if none of those steps work, the last option is to reinstall the Epic Games Launcher. This is the final fix because it gives you a completely fresh installation with new files, which can resolve deeper launcher corruption. Make sure to uninstall the launcher first, then download the latest version from Epic's official website and install it again. So to recap, the best fix for the SU-MD-HSH manifest download error is close Epic completely, run it as administrator, clear the webcache folder, disable VPN or proxy, and reinstall the launcher only if needed. In most cases, clearing the cache and removing network conflicts will solve the issue fast. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.